Mm. Oops. Oh, hey guys. I didn't see you there. So we're gonna unbox this big house. Now it says creation. So first, let's see what is real in the back. Wow! You can as many as that to collect from the houses. I think we get the middle top. This. So you see this is villa. It said creation. Now let's open it. But there's a date. No worries. You just push it. I'll take it out first. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I got it out. Now let's open it. No, we're not gonna do it like that. One by one pieces. Wow. So this and this. What's this? Wow. Wow. There's so many. Wow. There's so many pieces inside. Wow. Wow, look at this. It's bigger than my body. See? Look at me. It's bigger than my body. Now look at this. It's bigger than my body. Look at this. Now look at this. It's bigger than my body. Guys, it's bigger. I'm really sure. Get some more. 3. Is this the manual? Okay. That's not 4. 4 this. This is the 4. Oh. Maybe there's 3 more. 5, 6. There's more. I lost the counting. Wow, there are so many. Wow, look at this. It's so big. Put it there. I can sit with it. Or my Kung Fu master. I can sit in it. Now look at this. I can sit in it. Guys, now let's start to build. No more funny jokes. So what is in here? Probably nothing. Open one by one. I'm gonna get the scissors for Nanay. First bag coming. I'm still fixing on.
Lalagyan ha.
Okay.
Kasi sayang pag sama-sama sa isang ano.
Okay. Wow. Is this the roof? Is that the rooftop? Okay. Black pieces. Don't touch him. Or maybe.
Check the manual.
Piece 2. Piece 2.
Lahat o-open mo?
Yeah. Not one. Not one. Wow, there's so many
Ganyan na
black
lang para
guys.
di magkalit-kalas. Huwag mo munang tanggalin. Ganyan-ganyan na lang.
Guys, I won't let you see that. So cut that, please. Cut that. We're done with the rimwork and temwork. Now let's put them in this side. Put definitely here. Go! Mix all of them. I got another bag piece. Bag piece. Human. Bag piece. Woman. Okay, let's start building. Oh no, there's still. Oh, and here. See? Or not. Good thing it's mixed with it. So nothing. It's fine though. See? Whoa! Look how many Lego it is. It's so much. Cut. Okay, this is the last bag. Baggy, baggy. Okay. Oh, this. Oh, there's the white. Whoa! I cannot count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 billion. 1 billion piece. Let's get start building. Whoa, there's so many bees. Okay, they need 1 of that, 4 of that, 4 of like this. We got 3. Spread it out more so we can build it. There's so many, I cannot see them. Okay. Nay, pabilisin mo na lang, Nay. Pabilisin mo na lang. Is it 3? Maybe 4. I'm pretty sure it's 4. And 3. 3 of these. 1. No. Wait, how? 3, 6, 4, 5, 6. Blah. Concentrate me. I need to concentrate. I need my eyes to blow up more. Okay. We need 3 of the smooth piece. 3 of them. Okay. Red. 1, 2. Where is the other one? I can do it. I said can, not can't. I can do it because I'm a Lego professional builder. Okay, each hit the gray one. We have this Yeah, counting. I'm counting, kids. 1, 3, 4, 6. I cannot count. There's so many of them. Those trees are so many. Oh, there it is. I see him. Oh, so hard to see. Okay, first let's go. Part 1, part. This is 1. But I'll count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and 7. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's not. I said it's not. See guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here. I said here. Stay focused. Give me mental energy. Because I'm building this. Oh, there's so many of them. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 5, 6, 6, 7. There's so many. I cannot count. First, let's do this. This or here? No, here. Here. Another. And we need a piece, but it's flat. Tell me guys in the comments if you already have these. Wow! This is so cool. Okay. Stay. You can do this. Don't give up. Oh, not give up. Let's turn me. Now you find again.
Yes, na.
The other video again. No.
It's hard.
Okay, guys. You will not see a little bit of the part of this video for something. So, if I build so many now, that is where you go, okay? Sit still and just write. Cloudy and glass. That this should be made. Not this. Bluetooth mode. Pairing. Bluetooth mode. Pairing. Believer. 13, 33, and then 2 more. Because the last was them. Ang ganito na ako. Pati 12 na ganun. Okay.
12 na yung apatan. Ito, 12 nito. 5 nito na.
And also these. Count it if it's not and these yeah. My night and vision. 6 expanding. Expand. many? 4. I see 4. And a 5. Where is the one thing actually need? Is doorknob. No. It's door closed. Mm. If you see something na para saan raw yung ano na yung 4?
Isang 4.
Nay, I'm gonna make the door case.
Hirap nito ha. Ang fairness.
Because you buy that.
Do you think I should have not buy this?
You want to
Do
make
you
me
think?
sad?
I want to make you happy. That's why I bought this.
Yeah. You're making me sad. You do? Or not? Ano po kailangan mo, Nay?
Wait.
Nay, tuwag na ba yan? Kakam ko. Parang wala nang ganito ah. Parang 30 na yun na yan. Ikakount ko yan. Dito ako dumadaan na. Wait lang.
Kina. Kina.
Nay, count that.
Sakto na to.
Did you count? Okay.
1, 2.
What?
2.
Guys, this is not a first date. I just eat already. Then, this is the second day. So, because the house is so big, so this is what I have. That's so cool. So this is the court. And bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Bye-bye.